slide the wand down the drain and spin the handle and remove the clog. It's that easy. Here's how it works. The Drain Weasel Slim design weasels through any style of drain, so you'll never have to worry about taking the drain apart. The easy-to-use handle spins 360 degrees, rotating hundreds of tiny micro hooks that lock onto tough hair clogs. Just remove the clog and your sink or shower will be running like new again. After use, disengage the used wand for easy cleanup. The Drain Weasel refill wands are inexpensive and cost less per use than most chemical drain cleaners. With the Drain Weasel you get the durable handle with quick connect wands. Each wand uses FlexiSnake's patented microhook technology for easy drain access.
Wooden decks can be easily built by a do-it-yourselfer with tools and accessories from Wolfcraft. The distance bars will prevent waterlogging and thus the wood between substructure and deck boards from premature rotting. If necessary, you can stick the spacing strips together or cut them to size. The deckboard drilling guide will ensure an accurate and constant screw layout. With its help, all screws will be precisely aligned in one row and always have the same distance to the edge of the board. To achieve this, the drilling guide will have to be adjusted to the board width once only, and then you're ready to start. Pre-drill shortly with the drilling guide, then finish the bore holes without the drilling guide. At the same time, the adjustable depth stop will ensure perfectly countersunk holes. The screw will fit perfectly thanks to the bit holder with its adjustable depth stop. Wooden decks with a perfect finish. Just do it yourself with Wolfcraft.
The Craig Multimark is an incredibly handy multi-purpose measuring tool, perfect for a wide variety of applications in your home or on the job site. Trim work, setting reveals, laying out mitered corners, transferring measurements, gauging blade heights, alignment control, and much more. Loads of functionality packed into one compact, handy little tool. The key to the Multimark is its sliding metric and imperial marked scale that can be positioned in 3 different configurations: standard, 90 degrees, and 45 degrees. Each position can be locked in anywhere along the scale to provide accuracy and repetition for a wide variety of project solutions. The base of the Multimark is an exact 6 inches. So, set in the standard position, the Multimark can be used cumulatively by extending the scale to grab measurements up to 10.5 inches. Perfect for repetitive marks or transferring measurements. Finding the correct measurements for mitered corners on door and window trim while setting the proper reveal can be difficult and time-consuming. The Multimark eliminates this guesswork by setting the industry standard 3/16 inch reveal for you, with a built-in reveal edge molded right on its body. Simply lay the Multimark up into the top of the door jamb and mark the reveal. This gives you the accurate reference point of layout and measurement for confidently cutting your trim to length. The built-in reveal also lets you reference your trim at the perfect 3/16" reveal along the entire run of the piece while nailing in place. No need to measure and align the trim to marks. Just position the multi-mark against the door jamb and align the trim to the edge and nail into place. Set in the standard or 90-degree position, the multi-mark serves as a precise, transferable depth gauge. Excellent for capturing profile depths and transferring that depth to router bits and saw blades.
No more lost or missing sockets with the Ready Wrench from Black & Decker. Now with ratcheting action. SureFit technology guarantees the Ready Wrench will fit 16 of the most popular standard and metric socket sizes. Color-coded sockets make it easy to find the right size every time. And the exclusive ratcheting design saves you time, lets you work more efficiently, and makes changing directions easier. All backed by a lifetime warranty. The only 16-in-1 wrench that ratchets. The Ready Wrench from Black & Decker.
Introducing Google Wi-Fi, a new kind of system designed to keep up with how we use Wi-Fi today, from playing to streaming to video calling. Here's how it works. You simply replace your existing router with a Google Wi-Fi point, or points if you have a larger home. These points work together with your current modem and internet service to provide fast, seamless Wi-Fi for your whole home. Google Wi-Fi is set up and controlled through a mobile app that gives you a host of features for simple, straightforward access to your network, no matter where you are. Like letting you see which devices are connected at any one time, or giving you parental control. So if it's time for dinner or time for bed, you can give them a little time off. It lets you easily find and share your Wi-Fi password with guests, and even allows you to prioritize a specific device for faster speeds, so the important stuff never gets interrupted. And Network Assist technology works in the background to make sure you always get the fastest possible speeds.
Creating the perfect Pro Strength hose takes tireless hours of design, engineering, and testing. Making a daily chore into something you look forward to, that's an art. We're proud to introduce Zero G, a lightweight, kink-free, pro-grade hose that is engineered for maximum durability. Apex's easy-to-use aviation-grade couplings provide a tight, leak-free connection. The Zero G is outfitted with an ultra-durable G-Force exterior jacket that smoothly glides over surfaces without scuffing or snagging. Its TrueFlex core keeps consistent flow and pliability through tight corners. With a 600+ burst rating, Zero G's durability is in a class of its own. Zero G, an ultra-durable, time-saving garden innovation. Apex, watering reinvented.
Hi, I'm Howard Szilagyi, and I led the team which developed Lavario. Our goal was simple: design the best portable clothes washer in the world. We wanted it to be non-electric and hand-powered so it could be used anywhere. And we wanted it made in the USA. We wanted a simple machine which could do small loads, but not just socks and underwear, jeans and sweatshirts too. We tested all the popular portable washers sold online, all in the $60 to $100 range, and we were surprised by what we found. None of them could properly wash even light articles like socks and underwear. New thinking was definitely needed. Then the light bulb went on. I remembered washing my jeans on a sailboat. I attached a rope to my jeans and dragged them behind the boat. They came out astonishingly clean. So our breakthrough was to drive a continuous flow of water through the fabric, just like on the sailboat. We took the piston and cylinder approach. The piston was the basket containing the clothes, and the cylinder was the bucket holding the water. The up and down motion generates a continuous flow of water which blasts dirt out of your clothes. We were awarded our patent in September of 2017. Lavario was meticulously engineered for durability and performance. We are just immensely proud of our washer. Yes, we are $25 to $50 more expensive than competitors, but we stand alone with the best portable clothes washer in the world. The only one that washes real clothes like jeans and sweatshirts. Lavario, eco-friendly, made in the USA, best in the world.